how can we apply those now, or how can we improve those technologies or those ideas in the present context? You might say that those doesn't work anymore now. It's true. Many of those ideas may not work because of the changing world and the changing environment itself. But how can you innovate those ideas or those technologies, traditional knowledge, indigenous knowledge, in the present context? So those are the things students need to start thinking about. So when you start thinking about, you have to ask questions. You look around and ask questions. Why is this happening like this? If there is a problem of air pollution, why is it? What can you do? What should you do? What's your role in that as a person, as a citizen of the community or the country or the state? So you have to start asking your questions, and teachers should encourage students to ask those questions. You may not have answers for all. We don't have answers for all the questions students ask. But we can definitely work together and look for solutions and answers for those things. So when technology, fine, we are going to continue to use technology forever. That's for sure. But